Hello traders, welcome. So today I'm going to continue with my analysis of the Euro USD, but I want to start by looking at the dollar index as always, because this helps me understand the Euro USD. So let's recap. So on Friday we saw this price action here where this candlestick found support here and there was a pullback. Now my analysis was that price is likely to move up, right? And obviously this was going to be a level where price would find support and a lot of buying pressure or demand. But now on Monday we saw price moving all the way down here, so obviously taking out most of the stop losses. Now I have a reason, or I have a theory for this. So if you look at the futures market, the US dollar index on the futures market is due to expire this month in September. Now on Monday you would have noticed that you could only close your current open positions on the US dollar index, so you don't have the option to open any new positions. So for the September contract you cannot open any more positions, but now there's a new contract for December. So what possibly happened, most likely, is that most traders started opening buy orders or bullish positions on the December contract, resulting in a lot of buying orders here and maybe some stop losses here. Obviously this resulted in a liquidity pool here where most likely some institutional traders decided or saw an opportunity to exploit this liquidity pool. So we saw this liquidity grab. So this move here represents a liquidity grab. Now on Tuesday price moved back up, and currently as we speak the market has gapped down, moving down. So today is Wednesday. We want to see what's likely to happen between today and Friday. So we are going to look at the dollar index and then try and build an understanding for the Euro USD. Now I want you to look at this time frame here. Now if you look at this time frame here, each candlestick represents 3 days. Okay, it's the same thing, it's the US dollar index, but now I have structured it in such a way that we eliminate some of the noise so that we get a clear idea of what's going on. Now currently this candlestick opened on Monday. It pushed all the way down, but if you check here we can actually see that this level here would serve as a support level. So there was a move down, but we conclude that it's most likely related to a liquidity grab and price is likely to start moving up. Now if we look on the daily time frame, we can start drawing a clear picture of what's going on. Okay, so on the daily time frame, price dropped from Friday. Price dropped and then started moving up, and today as we speak price is moving down. So we want to obviously start looking for opportunities to buy, given our entry setups and all that stuff. So price is likely to start moving up anytime between today and next week Friday. So it's you can expect price to start moving up from here. Okay, so let's look at the 4-hour time frame for the same instrument, which is the dollar index. Price moved down. You can see here price has been pretty much ranging, building up a position. So we saw this bullish move to the upside, and currently price gapped down, and it's obviously, I think it could possibly test this line here. This is the Tenkan-sen, and this would give us an idea if price is likely to continue moving down or to move up. But for this I use the 2-hour time frame for confirmation if either price is going to find support or resistance on this level here. All right, so this is the 2-hour line that I'm talking about. This is the key June. So if price pulls back and breaks below this line and gives a confirmation, then I know the move is likely to continue down to retest this level. Remember, this is a support level on a 3 days candlestick setup. So if price bounces on this brownish line or burgundy line here and then starts giving a bullish pattern, then the move forward up, the move up will continue. I'm currently bullish on the DX, which is the US dollar index on the futures market. I'm trading the CFD. So this is the DXY setup, and if we check the DX, it's going to be the same thing as well. Okay, from here we're going to look at the Euro USD and make our conclusions. But you can, from this study, if the dollar index is bullish, the Euro USD is going to be bearish. Okay, let's look at the Euro USD. So I'll start by looking at the 3 days candlestick setup. So each candlestick here represents 3 days. So price pushed down. So we saw on the index that price found support. Here the dollar is not really running into any resistance level, but we know why we have this kind of reversal pattern here, and it's a bit more clearer on the Euro USD, and that's because of on the dollar index price has found support. So now we'll move on to the lower time frame, the daily, and then start making our study there. Okay, so this is the Euro USD on the daily time frame. I think this is more of the chart that you are likely to see on your platform. So price pushed up and then found some resistance. We know this corresponds to support on the DXY, and now currently price is pushing up. So here we are going to look for opportunities to sell. We are going to be bearish on the Euro USD. I'll look at some lower time frames and then show you the setups that we get there. Okay, so this is the 8-hour time frame. We can see a price pushed up. This also corresponds with this level here where we saw a strong rejection. Here we had this doji kind of like shooting star set up here. So price pushed down. There's a slight pullback here, and I think this also has to do with this support level here on the Kijun. If you look at the lagging span here. All right, so we'll look at I think 6-hour or 4-hour time frame. All right, so on the 4-hour time frame we have this beautiful setup here. So price is pushing up, testing this line here. This is called the Tenkan-sen or the alert line. So if price crosses here, this should alert you that price is likely to continue going up. Now if price respects this line and start pulling down, that should let you know that price is likely to continue dropping. But to get a clearer view of this, I usually drop down to the 2-hour time frame. Okay, so here we are. So here, if price crosses this burgundy brownish line here and gives a confirmation, then you should know that price is likely to continue dropping, and then you can look for opportunities or setups to start selling the Euro USD. Now in terms of the invalidation, it's going to be on the 4-hour time frame, so you can look at that to actually invalidate the position. So if price crosses above this line and gives a confirmation, then you know that the bullish move is temporarily invalidated. But as it stands right now, I am bearish on the Euro USD. All right, remember to like and subscribe and let me know what you think on the comment section. It's gonna be bye for now, but I will also give an update most likely on Thursday or Friday depending on what the markets do. Ciao for now.